Hey guys, what's up? This is Geronimo and thank you for watching this video. And for today, we will unbox the CKMova Lavalier Microphone from CKMova Philippines. So let's start unboxing right now.
So there you have it. This is the CKMova LCM2 Lavalier Microphone and it has 6 meters na cable length. And this is the highlights of this lavalier microphone: low cut filter, broadcast quality, and compatible for mobile and camera devices. Okay, right out of the box, makikita na natin agad yung laman. And this is the lapel itself. So as you can see, meron siyang cable tie na CKMova. Then this is the lavalier mic. This is the 3.5mm connector. This is the switches. So matatagpuan nyo dito yung device switch and the low cut filter switch. Yan. So this is the clip of the lavalier mic. Meron din siyang pouch na kasama. Meron din siyang warranty card and syempre yung user manual. Basahin nyo to guys.
So before we continue discussing the specs of this lavalier microphone, I would like to thank CKMova Philippines for sending this lavalier microphone. Thank you po dahil yan, meron na tayong nagagamit na lavalier mic. And sa tingin nyo, ano yung audio quality? Right now, we are using the microphone itself for this video. And let me know in our comment box below if the sound quality is good. Right now, hindi ko pa siya malalaman kasi hindi pa natin na-edit. So, we will see later. So, let's go with the specs of this lavalier microphone. The name of this lavalier microphone is LCM2, which is meron siya 3.5mm TRRS connector. Ano ba yung meaning ng TRRS? Guys, hindi lahat na nakikita nyong jack ay compatible sa mga devices nyo. Minsan, may mic tayo, tapos pagtingin nyo, hindi pala siya gumagana. Kasi we need this TRRS, which stands for tip, ring, then sleeve. So, kailangan meron kayo nito para gumana yung mga microphone nyo. So, next is battery. Wala pong battery itong CKMova LCM2, which is directly nakakonect lang talaga siya sa iyong device. Speaking of connection, pwede nyo i-connect itong lavalier microphone sa inyong camera, sa phone, sa PC, or Mac. Lahat yon pwede nyo gamitin itong microphone na to. Tamang-tama sa mga nagba-vlog using your phone. Yan, magagamit nyo to. Or if you're using an iPhone, pwede kayong bumili ng adapter. But if you're using a camera na katulad ng sa akin, saksak nyo lang siya dun sa mic input. If you're using the M50 yan, pwede yan. Tapos, eto pa, pinakamaganda at pinakanagustuhan ko dito sa lavalier microphone na to is meron siyang 6 meter cable length. Guys, napakahaba nun. Last is, eto, maganda to guys kasi alam naman natin na kapag nagre-record tayo ng vlog natin, minsan 'di ba may mga fan tayo or merong hum ng aircon or yung mga low frequency na sound. So meron siyang low cut filter, meaning maaalis niya yung mga low frequency sound. Hindi naman totally mawawala yung mga hum pero mababawasan yon, which is good thing kasi meron siyang low cut filter. So simpleng-simple lang para ma-enable nyo yung low cut filter. Just check the cable, meron dong straight line tsaka yung merong curve line. Doon kayo dun sa medyo curve line, i-switch nyo yon para ma-activate nyo yung low cut filter. Then if you want to switch from smartphone to camera, just switch kung ano yung gagamitin yung device para maging compatible tong LCM2 from CKMova Philippines. So with the specs out of the way, let's try the sound quality of this microphone given na merong different situation. Mamaya sasagutin natin yung mga nag-ask ng question sa Instagram story at saka sa Facebook story natin. For our audio test, which is requested din ni Gala ni Gab, which is a YouTuber as well, na magkaroon tayo ng audio test for this one, and also Mix Shongko. So sabi niya dito, test in different situations. So mamaya bubuksan natin yung electric fan in different number or different level para marinig natin kung audible ba yung fan sound if gagamitin natin tong lavalier mic na to. So right now, I don't have fan, I don't have any aircon, or I don't have anything na makakaapekto sa sound itself. So right now, you're hearing the raw sound quality of this lavalier microphone without any equalization. So next is let's try to put some equalization from this microphone and let's see if magiging maayos ba yung boses ko. Meron tayong itetest natin kung pwede ba to if your content is mukbang or food ASMR or other ASMR na videos. Pwede nyo ba tong gamitin? So, we will see. So next is bubuksan ko tong electric fan na nasa tabi ko at itong isa pa dito. So yan guys, meron tayong electric fan na naka-on side by side. So malalaman nyo if naririnig nyo ba yung electric fan. So level 1 to. So this is the level 2 ng electric fan na gamit natin na nasa left and right. So yan, medyo nafe-feel nyo na naririnig natin medyo yung sound ng electric fan. Then lastly, we are at the level 3 of our electric fan sa left and right natin. So, kung naririnig nyo pa rin yung boses ko, pero I think rinig nyo na yung electric fan na nanggagaling sa left and right ko. There you go. Iniwan kong bukas yung nasa right side kong electric fan at level 1. So, I think hindi naman siya ganun masyado rinig. And also, meron tayong mga background noises din sa labas, like mga dogs and cats. So, kung naririnig nyo siya, yan. Yan yung masasagap niyang sound. So, this microphone is omnidirectional, meaning sakop niya yung isang parang malaking bilog dito. Hindi siya tutok talaga sa bibig natin. And also, since lavalier mic siya, dito talaga siya sa dibdib kung saan yung rich sound ng voice natin maririnig, which is good. Ingat lang sa scratch ng shirt kasi yan, madalas yan yung problema ng lavalier mic, yung mga scratches ng shirt kung nasa loob talaga siya ng damit nyo, maririnig yon. So there you go, narinig nyo na yung sound quality ng lavalier mic na to from CKMova, which is the LCM2. Yan. And what do you think? Let me know in our comment box below kung anong gusto nyo, kung gusto nyo ba malaman kung saan to nabibili. I'll put the link in our description box below. So Jeff, yan, narinig na namin yung sound quality. Saan naman to perfect gamitin? Guys, pwede nyo tong gamitin sa vlogging. So right now, ginagamit natin siya and perfect siya for this kind of use kasi, ayan, audible, maganda yung experience ng viewers mo, hindi ka masyadong nasasapawan ng mga nangyayari sa labas, and talagang maintindihan nila kung ano yung gusto mong sabihin. And also, since compatible siya sa phone, compatible din siya sa laptops or sa desktops or sa PC or Mac man yan, pwede mo siyang gamitin sa mga online meetings mo. Just use the audio splitter, kung makikita nyo, para masaksak nyo yung microphone nyo and yung headphone nyo. The same time, kasi minsan yung mga laptops and desktops natin ay isa na lang yung jack. So, kung mapapansin nyo, itong audio splitter ko is TRRS cable din. Pwede mo rin itong gamitin sa mga live streams mo. So, kung mapapansin nyo, sa mga live stream, di ba nakikita nyo mga condenser microphone or mga shotgun mics yung gamit. So, you can also use this kind of mics. Yun nga, since compatible to sa device natin, just don't forget use the audio splitter, then you're good to go. And lastly, pwede mo tong gamitin sa mga casual video calls mo. Kasi syempre, if you're keen sa audio quality talaga and you're sitting naman sa workstation mo, why not use your lavalier microphone when you want to call someone or if you want to call your loved ones, your family, para mas clear nilang marinig yung sinasabi mo. So, ang tanong sa atin ni Mommy Epi Vlogs is, maganda sa voiceover, may noise cancelling ba siya kahit papaano? So, I think naman okay to sa voiceover. So, just set your sound recording sa manual mode para hindi siya nagpipik. And also, if you want to learn how to get a good sounding audio, don't forget to click our link here. Sabi niya dito, may noise cancelling ba siya kahit papaano? Yun, as I mentioned earlier, may low cut filter siya. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video and I hope may mga natutunan ka. I hope nag-enjoy ka sa audio test natin. And also, once again, thank you to CKMova Philippines for sending this LCM2 microphone. So thank you guys. And also, I hope you like this unboxing, first impression, and audio test sa video na to. So if you want to buy one, I will put the link in our description box below. And also, don't forget to click the like and share button. So this one is perfect alternative for your content creation or live streaming. And if you want to learn more about photography, videography, editing, and vlogging, consider clicking the subscribe button kasi marami pa tayong upload soon. So sorry din kasi 2 weeks tayo nag-break. Kailangan, importante sa atin na nagbe-break din para mas marami pa tayong maisip na content in the future. And also, if you want to support this channel and me creating more videos in the future, consider clicking my Buy Me a Coffee site in our description box below. Malaking tulong po yun para sa channel na ito. So once again, this is Geronimo. Thank you for watching this video. See you on my next one. Bye. Peace.